Thank you for visiting us today. Presenting a pre-owned 2008 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali all-wheel drive. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, and power windows. Call for an appointment today.